In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Python on Cursor AI step by step so you can get your coding environment set up quickly and start working with Python inside Cursor without any confusion. This is a very simple process, but if you're new to Cursor, I'll walk you through each click so you can follow along easily. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Cursor AI on your computer. Once Cursor is open, look at the top left area of the window and click on View. This is where Cursor keeps a lot of its built-in menu options, including access to extensions. After clicking View, find and click on Extensions. This will open the Extensions panel, where you can browse and add tools that improve your coding setup. Now that you're in the Extensions area, go to the search bar and type Python. Cursor will show you a list of matching results, so look for the official Python extension in the list. When you see Python, click on it to open the extension details. On that page, you'll see an install button. Go ahead and click install, and Cursor will begin installing Python support for your workspace. Depending on your setup, this may take a few moments, so just let it finish. Once the installation is complete, Python should now be available inside Cursor AI, and you can start using it for your projects. If you needed Python for coding, automation, or script testing, this is the first step to getting everything ready. And that's it. You've successfully installed Python on Cursor AI. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and comment below if you want to see more Cursor AI tips and tricks in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.